Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to wirelessly transfer files from one smartphone to the other smartphone very easily. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to download one application named as AirDroid. So you need to download and install on each of the devices. Say you have to download in the first device too, and even in the second device too, you need to download the same applications. So this AirDroid is available for most of the popular smartphones, that is for the iPhone devices too, and even for the Android devices, and even you can get the same software for the Windows computers and even for the Macintosh computers too. And even if your OS does not have the inbuilt applications too, you can use the web versions too by going to the web.airdroid.com also, and even you can use the login informations also to send wirelessly everywhere. So there's lots of facility using this AirDroid, and I will explain you why it's really very useful, and you should definitely use this AirDroid in the latter part of this video. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So you can see here, once you download and install, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So as I'm already using it, so it's not asking any permissions right now, but if you're opening it for the first time, it may ask you to enable your locations. So please turn on the locations and you can start afterwards. So you can create an account too, or without creating an account you can use it. So you can see here the easiest way I will show you. You can see here nearby, just tap on it and you can see here a scanner like applications. So before clicking this applications, what you need to do, you need to have in both the device internet connections, and you should definitely share the same internet connection. So I'm using a cellular connections here in the left hand side mobile devices, and I have already shared a hotspot too from here to the other device, and it is connected, and the other device, as you can see on the right side, is being connected with this device. So I've already installed too the same applications in my second device too. So I'll be running the AirDroid here also. So you can see I've already installed here too in my second device. So if you have not done, then you can install in the second device too, and you can see the exactly the same. Click on nearby and you can see the exactly the same. Tap to charge. So let me bring closer both the devices. Now you can see here. Now what you need to do, you need to tap this tap to charge in both the devices. Just tap on it, tap on the other device too. So it's scanning. Wait for a few seconds until it's completes the searching. As you can see here, Nokia 6.1 is being detected, but the right hand side is taking a little bit time. So wait until the Redmi Note 8 Pro, that is my left hand side device, is being shown. As you can see here, now it's being shown. Just tap on both each other. You can tap on one side also, just so it will give a message there. So you can select, wait for a few seconds until both the device gets connected. Sometimes it may take quite a time, or sometimes it may fail, but still you can try the same process again and it might get connected. So wait for a few seconds. So it's having some connection problem. We'll try again. So finally you can see here both the devices connected. So let me send a message just to check whether it's working or not from the other device. So Now we can see that we'll finally test it if we can send a file or not, since both the device is connected. So I'll try sending a single picture. So you can select the pictures and you can send it. So it's working finally. Both the devices connected. As you can see, it's transferring right now, and on the other device too, it's accepting right now. So you can see exactly the same file is being transferred from one smartphone to the other smartphone very easily. Even you can cheat like a SMS here by typing like, let me show you, like typing like hello, and you can send a message to, and you can get it delivered once the upper file transfer is being completed. So wait for few seconds. So sometimes a connection error may occur, but sometimes it will definitely transfer you. So in this way you can transfer very easily and wirelessly from one smartphone to other smartphone. So you try it out by yourself, and if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.